Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on PancakeSwap. In today's video, we will take a look at this big down channel, and we have been following this channel even before in my previous videos as well. Right now, we are re-entered the same channel after this breakout. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that Pancake was moving inside this down channel since 6th of September 2021, and here we had a breakout in the month of March. Let me to show you this breakout on the daily time frame, and we can see after this breakout the price line moved down, almost retested the previous this resistance of the channel as a support, moved up, and right now it is again moved down inside this channel. Now we can see on the daily time frame, it is quite obvious that Pancake is exactly dropped at the same support of the channel that was coming from here from 6th of September, and you can see exactly from here it is getting bounced. So it means that Pancake is still respecting the support and following this support and channel as well. And now this resistance of the channel can again work for as a resistance for the price line. And this support is very important. We had a spike up to approximately this support that is at $3.10, and we can see if we move back and more the previous history of Pancake, then here we can see that this level of $3.10 has been working as a very strong resistance even in those days when we had this big rally that was started here back in November 2020. And after that, we had a rejection here in the month of Feb 2021. And after this rejection, we broke it out and we retested with this red candle as a support, and again we moved up. And right now you can see that after this drop, the price line is bounced from exactly from the same support that was previously breaking as a resistance back here in the month of Feb 2021. And right now we are also above this support of this channel as well, and I'm expecting that price line can make another attempt very soon to break out the resistance of this channel, because Bitcoin at the same time is taking bounce from the support of this very big falling wedge pattern. So if Bitcoin slightly moves up from here, then Pancake again it can make another attempt to break out the resistance of the channel. This time the resistance will be approximately at $5.40. Now let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame chart. Then here we can see that Pancake is rejected here. We have another rejection here. This is a slight fake out to the upside, and again we had another rejection here. Right now we are having another rejection, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 touch points with several candlesticks at the support as well. So there is a formation of an ascending triangle on this hourly time frame chart, and if price line breaks out the resistance of this triangle, then in case of breakout, our next target to the upside can be here, approximately at $5.35. And in case of breakdown, the target to the downside can be $3.52. So if we will break out this resistance, and I'm just going to copy this trend line from here and pasting it here, then we can see it is showing the projection very close to the resistance of the channel as well. Then in that situation, we can expect that Pancake can also make another attempt to break out the resistance of this bigger channel. And the target for this bigger channel can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $24.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.